Debt means borrowing money that you must pay back later. But not all debt is bad. Some debt helps you grow. Some debt traps you. Good debt is money borrowed to improve your future. Examples of good debt are education loans, skill courses, or a small business loan. Good debt helps you earn more money later. It creates value. Bad debt is money borrowed for things that lose value. Examples of bad debt are expensive phones, luxury items, or buying things just to show off. Bad debt does not help you earn more. It only increases bills. Here is the simple difference. Good debt puts money in your pocket later. Bad debt takes money out every month. Debt becomes dangerous when you borrow more than you can repay. High interest and late payments make bad debt worse. One rule to remember: borrow to grow, not to impress. Use debt carefully, or debt will control you. That is the difference between good debt and bad debt.